Classroom. I am sharing the link. It is in your respective classroom, and to the people who are watching this video, teachers and the assessors, they can also take overview, and from this video you can also do this kind of thing activity so that your work also can be reduced. Okay, now I'm giving this conclusory work, but if you like my video and my channel, then just do subscribe and like and put the bell button on. Welcome classroom. Students and the person who's want to learn about how we can collect the notebook directly from the students. Okay, I have made assignments, okay, on the Google Classroom and given it to students directly. Okay, so here a student can do one thing: click on this thing and attach their documentaries, upload their file, and they can upload the documents directly from their phone. Okay, it will take only 1 or 2 minutes to upload the documents, and the teacher, the assessor, the evaluator, the marks giver person will give it in a few seconds when you just click on the turn in option. Okay, turn in means your assignment has been received by the teacher. If you found any kind of difficulty in the assignment material, so you can just click on the unsubmit button and it will be undo. Okay, your submitted work will be removed. Easy work. So this is the way you can collect the notebook chapter wise directly on the Google Classroom. And for students, it is very easier convenient to not go to school for the submission of the notebook, and from by sitting over the home, respective home, they can submit their notebook nicely. Okay, if you found the video helpful, then just comment in my channel and do like and subscribe. Precious time for watching this video. Hope you have learned something helpful from this video. You can use Google Classroom for acquiring notebooks directly from the students with the using of this Google Classroom, and other different facility areas which can be useful are even Gmail, but it is quite complicated, and WhatsApp, the storage may be full, or maybe you lost some data. It is difficult for you to collect everything. So this is one of the functional and channel form so that you can collect and know how many people have yet left to submit their homework. Thank you for watching my video.